Ford Asset is Automotive Student Service Education and Training. We're a little different than a regular traditional two-year associate degree program. You do earn your degree while you're here, but then also we are a Ford-sponsored, Ford-backed program, so we do training with Ford and Lincoln vehicles provided by Ford. And when you're done with the program, you'll have your two-year degree in automotive technology, and you'll also have your certifications with Ford. So that's the one benefit that we do offer extra.
We have students that have a technical or BOCES background, as well as students that may never have even opened a hood.
The instructors here are just great. They really push you to actually learn the material, do it on your own. Even the most simple things, you know, what type of oil goes in what car. Transmission fluid, we just went through that in the first semester mostly, and kind of went through the basics. So at the shop, I was able to actually be an asset.
I chose the Ford Asset program because of the amount of hands-on work you get, as well as the internships. And I feel like the amount of hands-on you get just outweighs what you can get with any other program.
One of the advantages of working with a manufacturer and dealer is that we get the latest and greatest tools, the latest and greatest vehicles, which gives the student a step up and they're ready to step into a dealership situation.
The biggest benefit is that employment when they graduate. I mean, I think that would be probably the reason a lot of people go to college, is to pursue a career that they enjoy and they love. And so if you're a car person and you want to work on cars, not only just getting your degree, but having that job lined up when you graduate, I think that's huge.
You can take what you learn in the classroom and apply it to everyday life working with a master tech at your sponsoring dealership. I actually got offered a job at my dealership that I was sponsored at.
I think this is the best program at Morrisville. I think this is one of the best programs in the state.